We have a nice function problem here. We have to find the value of function of 2. The given function is function of x minus 1 plus function of 1 equals x plus 1. We can give it as function number 1. Then we can see that on the right side it is a linear function, so we can consider function of x as ax plus b, and we can give this one as function number 2. So if we put the value here as x minus 1 in the function, we get on the right side a of x minus 1 plus b, which gives us ax minus a plus b. Again, we need to get the value of function of 1. So we get function of 1 equals a into 1 plus b, which gives us a plus b. Now function of x minus 1 plus function of 1 becomes ax minus a plus b plus a plus b. We just put the value of function of x minus 1 as ax minus a plus b and function of 1 as a plus b. Now simplifying, we can cross minus n plus a, we get ax plus 2b. But in the question it is given that function of x minus 1 plus function of 1 equals x plus 1. So we can write from there x plus 1 equals ax plus 2b. Considering the coefficients of x, we can write a equals 1. Since x has coefficient as 1 and on the right side x has coefficient as a, we can write a equals 1, and we can write 2b equals 1 because the constant on the left side is 1 and constant on the right side is 2b. So 2b equals 1. So from here we can get b equals 1. So we get b equals half. So we get a equals 1 and b equals half. So if we put the value of ab here in equation 2, we'll get our desired value of function of 2. So we get function of 2 as a into 2 plus b equals, a means 1, so we put the value of a as 1, and the value of b is half, we put the value of b as half, so we get 2 plus half, or we get 4 plus 1 on the numerator and 2 on the denominator, so we get 5 by 2. So the value of function of 2 is 5 by 2. This is our desired value for this problem. Thanks for watching the video.